Hello. Update. And it's not great news.
Oh.
What a wonderful Sunday afternoon. But now she's not saying anything. And then Liv's going to leave me to play golf ball. Let me know if you know what golf ball is. I'm absolutely knackered. Oh. Hello, this might not be very interesting, but this is the current state of the back garden. This is where the extension was. I don't know what you last saw, but this is where the extension was. And rather at the end of next week or the week after, my dad's firm's coming in to do the steels. So what you can see there, that whole back of the house, will be steel that goes all the way across. There'll be a T section in the middle as well. So all this needs to be cleaned up. The skip's full, which isn't great, but here we are. Skip's full, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to bag up all this rubble that I can, take that to the tip, I think. We'll see how it goes. Hopefully it goes well. I might time lapse it, because how interesting is it to pick up rubble and put it in bags? I'm not sure. Maybe I'll do one on the camera, but we'll take it from there. Hopefully you're liking these videos that we're doing as well. Liv will be more involved. She's just sorting out the car ready for the rubble to go in. Got myself some C4 energy. If they would wish to sponsor me, that would be amazing. But yeah, let's bag up some rubble. So first bag. I say first bag. This was rubble everywhere. And we've also got loads of wood here. I don't know if you can see it. It might pull you to it if I stand here. But there's loads of wood here, so I've got the fire pit over there, and I will get that going at some point. It's a bit drizzly today though, so how easy that will be to get going. Plus my light is dead as well, which is really annoying. And I've lost my scooper. It's probably not the right word for it, but you know what I mean. That's going to be a nice noise for you lot to listen to, but needs must. It's not going to be that interesting this. I'll do one bag on camera. We may get a visit from Liv halfway through. And then the rest of it, I'll do a bit of a time lapse, maybe. See how the camera does. And then we'll film going to the tip. Whoa, that'll be exciting. But yeah, it's hard to film stuff that's like interesting, because everything we've got to do is a bit long. It's a bit of a long, arduous process. Getting rid of just scooping up rubble, throwing it in bags. Like, not many people find that interesting. Well, there's only me and Liv, so obviously I have my dad's firm here next week, which is good. But my dad lives too far now, he's about 40 minutes away. So he doesn't just pop round and help anymore, which was nice when he did that. But I can't blame him. Why would you want to come round in the rain and shovel up crap? He'll rather come round and do cool stuff. He'll be here when we do the extension, because I need him for that. He's a joiner, so the extension's timber frame. So we do need him for that. That'll be good. And then Liv's dad will come out with the electrics, but we need the frame up first for that. So yeah, until then, this is it. Scooping. Oh no. I don't want to fill the bags too much, because if we overfill, then they just start ripping and becoming rubbish. And you got stuff all in the back of your car, which is not good. Not good, not good. I'm farting a lot at the moment. Yeah, our bag's full. There it is. One bag. Done. Right, cool. I'm going to time lapse the rest of it, cleaning this up, because you don't want to see this anyway. And it's been going for 5 minutes. One bag took me 5 minutes to do. That is shocking. Yeah, let me time lapse it, or film a little bit of it, and then take it from there. Love has helped and done a splendid job. She wanted to be on camera, but now she's not saying anything. We've got rid of most of it. The car is absolutely slammed, by the way, now. So I think we've only got a few more bags in us. Moved all the wood over there. Sweeped most of this up. We may have to do a second tip run, but it's what it is. Getting there. We are getting there. So yeah, not exciting, but it's got to be done on it. Tiguan over there. You have to empty it all out and get all the seats down and all that. But yeah, saving a bit of money in skips, I think. We'll see. No. Yeah, hopefully get this done. Get it done quick enough. Don't know what time it is. What time is it? Yeah, 20 past 10. We may have time for the fences. I don't know yet. Let's see how we get to. Let's see where we get to. What? So, Tiggy is full. That tyre is quite low, so I'm going to pump that tyre up now, but very full. She's looking slammed. get yourself a Tiguan that's slammed. But yeah, I just need to pump her up. I get lost in what I'm doing with this car at the moment. Well, that looks rubbish, doesn't it? What's happened there? Don't know. The front's looking low as well. It's not good. It's not good. But to start this, you got to get in it and put the clutch in. Oh. What are we doing? Right, start up. There we go. Race car. Should probably let the glow plugs warm up a bit, but here we are. Yeah, she's looking low. Don't shut forward. We got this new tyre pump. Good thing about Tiguan is it has this 12 volt in the back if you ever go camping or doing stuff like that. Sports. Oh my god. 19! Not even going up. Right, I'm going to get these tyres pumped up. Well, I'm going to try. And we're going to go to Tip. Whoa! We are at Adwood Tip. If you look forward, this is the first time ever that Adwood Tip is not queuing, but we'll see if we get that. The car feels heavy. I'm not going to lie, it feels pretty heavy. It's full at the back. But yeah, we'll probably do one tip run today. Oh no. One tip run today, and then we're just going to bag the rest up and take it another day. Try and keep it out of the weather so it doesn't get this wet through. Oh, back a cab.
Oh. Oh, nice.
Yeah. So, yeah, anyway, I'm about to be questioned on what I've got in the back of my car. And then, yeah, we'll take it from there. Or, Liv has got the fuel. Because Tiguan died. Well, it didn't die, it just needed fuel. Hello. I didn't know what to film because this video's probably been poo, but whoa, on the way back. And then Liv's going to leave me to play golf ball. Let me know if you know what golf ball is. Update. And it's not great news. Spoke to my dad and he wants this going up here. And he wants that side going. He's not mentioned anything about the chimney, so I might try and get away with that. But we're going to do another tip run. Liv's tired and she's got to go golf ball soon. Tiguan's full. And then I'm going to be on my own, knocking the rest of this down. So, what a wonderful Sunday afternoon. Woo!
Hello.
Fancy seeing you. You're right, love. Yeah, you. I just thought I'd say hi.
Do you?
Tip run number 2 done. 2 trips down to the tip, and my dad's told me once all that down, which I think I've already told you anyway. So I'm now on my own because Liv's disappeared as well, and I'm just going to start knocking that down. Move these out of the way. Probably best idea. I need to knock that down as well. That will be easy, I think, over there. The rest of it probably won't be. So, see where we get to with it. Might go for the skirting board first. See how easy, yeah, that's out pretty easy. Get the skirt out of the way. That doubled up skirting is, this is skirting board on top of skirting board. Brilliant. Lovely stuff. Really strange things, people. Skirting on top of skirting. Who thought that was a good idea? No idea. But these bricks should just come off. Luckily, it's been all exposed to the weather now, so everything should theoretically come off pretty easy, I hope. We'll find out though, won't we? Them I'm going to take to the skip, I think. The skip is very full. You've probably seen it already, but a couple more won't hurt. Might be worth me whacking the bricks into here and using that as like a pour into a rubble bag, maybe. We'll find out. There we go. It's not going to fully work, but it'll be better than nothing. And it goes like this. Move all this timber out of the way, actually. Got to move my jagger. Keep dropping everything. I should probably time lapse a lot of this. But here we are, cracking on. Oh, this plasterboard's coming off a lot easier than it did previously, which is nice. First time I was trying to get this off, it was like normal plasterboard, even though it is. But it's really cemented on. Like, it's really solid stuff. There it is. An old version of plasterboard where it was a bit more solid than it is now. It's like really solid, it's like cemented on. Unless they cement rendered it on the inside and then plastered over it. Possibly. Makes sense. Just a weird piece of wood, yeah. Gotta try and put this all on the skip if I can. There it goes like this. Let's see how strong I am, see if I can carry that. That's pretty full. I don't even know where I'm going to put it because the skip's full. Oh, yeah, she's heavy. Yeah, we're getting a bit too full now. Spread it out. Okay, now it's bad. Cool, all the plaster is off there. The rest of it can be swept up and put in rubble bags. I just need to get that as close as I can to the wall. Yeah, it's not going to be that interesting, so let's see where I get to because it's been going for 7 minutes now. Let's see where I get to knocking it down, and I'll just pan back to the camera, pan back to what we're doing. I am done. Well, I think I am. I'm absolutely knackered. It's 4:30 now, I've been doing it since 9. Obviously been to tip and that, so not fully working manually, but yeah, managed to knock all this down round here. I bagged everything up as well, knocked all that there, because that came out too, about here. Don't know if it's tracking me or seeing me, but that came out here, so I've knocked that all back. And I've done a pile of bricks and I've done a pile of rubble. I put everything in rubble bags, ready for the tip. So let me just show you that now. So there is all the rubble bags. I don't know how many's there. Quite a few. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I think like 15, 16 rubble bags. And then the Great Wall of China there. But yeah, that's it as a whole. I've not knocked down there because of the gas pipe, so I'm being cautious with that. But I've knocked all this down here, and then maybe I could have knocked that a little bit, but I'm running out of time today, so it's a lot better than it was. And it's all clean, ready to go. Might need to bag up some of that rubble there, but yeah, that's it as a whole. Let me probably back up so it can trap me. But hopefully you like the video. There's some pigeon, 2 pigeons going crazy in the tree over there. Hopefully you liked the video. If you did, like, subscribe, all that stuff. If you managed to make it to the end, then fair play to you, because it's hard work watching these rubbish videos. No, I'm joking. Trying my best. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.